Morning. Today is day 6, that is 6 July. Today I wake up late at 10:30 a.m. in the morning because I have watched the match of Brazil versus Norway yesterday night till 3:30. Then after waking up, now as it is raining outside, I am unable to go for running and also for outdoor practice. So currently my trainer has asked me to walk on the treadmill for 1.5 hours in inclined position at 6 km pace. So I am doing so. Just 20 minutes has been passed. Let's complete it. Then I will do batting session in my home.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही जो भी कल तक बस आरज़ू, आहा वो ही पा गए हैं।
So now it's around 2 p.m. I have walked in treadmill for around 50 minutes and have walked around 5 to 5.5 kilometers. Then Porag has arrived at 12:30, and for the last 1.5 hours have practiced batting, front foot defense, front foot drive, back foot drive, square cut, pull, which is my biggest weakness. So I have worked on that. So now it's time to take a rest. So I come to meet with my friends, and now we are at Bagwazar at Rose Kebab, and I'm eating kebab before as a pre-workout meal because I forgot to bring my pre-workout meal. That's why I'm eating kebabs for protein. We arrived at Moidan Market to purchase some sports goods. I along with my friends Amit. So we are purchasing red balls, jerseys, grips, plastic balls and helmet and many more. Now it's 10:15 p.m. I am driving back to home from gym. So I met with my friends, then go to Maidan Market and purchased many sports items, and now today I have a gym session for only 1 hour because I was late due to that, but I have purchased many things which are essentials for my practice. Especially I have brought a shoe for running in the roads, which is very necessary as I am running around 30 minutes in the road. So I have buy an Puma shoe. Now let's go back to home quickly. And so it's end of day 6. In the morning, although it is raining, I have done the walking in the treadmill part. Then also I have done the cricket session at my rooftop for 1.5 hours. So total 2.5 hours of exercising in the morning. And then I went to meet my friends, and then go to Moidan Market to make the essential shoppings. And after that I again went to gym, although 1 hour, but yes, I have been consistent and put my efforts there. And now coming back, I also given time to my parents, and now it's around 12:30, and I am going to sleep. Today I will not upload the blog in the day itself because if I have to do it will be late. So I am choosing recovery over the blog. So I think day 6 Also a good day, same as day 5. So I will give myself 9.5 to be consistent and have done all the things. But yes, improvement, scope of improvement is there, and obviously I will improve more. So good night. So day 6 is a success.